Welcome back to WOWEffect, where we take you on the most mind-blowing rides. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most extreme vehicles on Earth. These machines are built to shatter limits, turn heads, and redefine what's possible. From high-performance speed beasts to cutting-edge engineering marvels, the vehicles on this list are guaranteed to leave you in awe. But before we dive in, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to WOWEffect, and turn on notifications so you will not miss out on our upcoming videos. With that said, let's jump right in. Number 10. Avtoros Shaman 8x8. The Avtoros Shaman 8x8 is a Russian all-terrain vehicle built to dominate any environment. Measuring 6.3 meters long, 2.7 meters high, and 2.5 meters wide, this beast is equipped with low-pressure tires that allow it to navigate through land, water, and mountains with ease. It runs on a 3.0-liter Iveco FIC turbo diesel engine, delivering 146 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. It can carry up to 1.5 tons of cargo, reaching speeds of 80 km per hour on land and 7 km per hour on water. Built for extreme adventures, the Avtoros Shaman 8x8 makes conquering the world's toughest terrains feel like a walk in the park. Number 9. Geo Rescue. The Geo Rescue is a multi-purpose vehicle designed to handle various operations from transportation to medical support and firefighting in the toughest environments. With room for up to 11 people, it can be fitted with stretchers, medical monitoring equipment, and even a pneumatic pillow to assist critical rescue operations. Weighing 3.2 tons, the Geo Rescue is powered by either petrol engines producing between 340 bhp and 500 bhp or diesel units delivering between 218 bhp and 304 bhp. Its heavy-duty transmission with lockable axles ensures it can conquer the roughest terrains without breaking a sweat. For military operations, the Geo Rescue can be equipped with electromagnetic shielding and water protection, making it ready to perform in the most hostile environments. Number 8. Sherp ATV. The Sherp ATV is a compact all-terrain vehicle built to dominate the most unforgiving environments. Designed by Alexei Gargasyan, after decades of innovation, this mini monster can glide through ice, water, and dense undergrowth with ease. Powered by a 44.3 horsepower Kubota V1505 4-cylinder diesel engine, the Sherp ATV is fed by a 15-gallon tank, reaching speeds of 45 km per hour on land and 7 km per hour on water. Despite its modest size, this 1.3-ton machine can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of cargo, making it as practical as powerful. Number 7. Knight 15. The Knight 15 by Conquest Vehicles is where luxury meets impenetrable strength. Designed to be the most luxurious armored vehicle on the planet, this Canadian-made beast blends high-end comfort with top-tier security. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, the Knight 15 features a 6.8-liter engine available as a gasoline variant, delivering 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, or a diesel option producing 300 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque. Its armor consists of ballistic hardened steel, ballistic fiberglass fenders, and 64mm thick armored glass, making it a rolling fortress. Measuring 20 feet long, 8.2 feet wide, and 8.3 feet tall, with a 360mm ground clearance, this 5.9-ton Titan is as imposing as it is protective. Additional features like an Alpine multimedia system, GPS navigation, remote entry, and push button start make the Knight 15 the perfect blend of power, luxury, and security. Number 6. Hum Rider. The Hum Rider may look like an ordinary Jeep Cherokee wagon SUV, but this machine hides a game-changing secret. With the push of a button, it lifts itself above traffic, widening its wheelbase to glide over cars stuck in a jam. Designed by mechanical effects engineer Scott Beverly, the Hum Rider operates with more than 300 feet of hydraulic lines and a gas-powered Honda generator that delivers electricity to pumps generating 900 pounds of pressure. When fully extended, the Hum Rider towers above ordinary cars, with 4 cameras providing a full view of the road below as it cruises past traffic like a futuristic marvel. Whether in gridlock or on the open road, the Hum Rider is built to rise above the crowd. Number 5. Letrons. The Letrons is a shape-shifting marvel built by Turkish research and development startup to bring the world of Transformers to life. Based on the BMW luxury coupe, this futuristic vehicle can transform into an anthropomorphic robot in just a few minutes. While it may not perform acrobatic stunts like its fictional counterparts, the Letrons boasts neck and head movements, arm gestures, wrist action, and adjustable lighting, all enhanced by its ability to speak. Equipped with an inbuilt power system to handle massive energy consumption, the Letrons also features interactive fog effects, a dynamic eye for visual expressions, and front and rear security sensors. It can even be operated via remote control for seamless navigation. Number 4. Ponsse Ergo. The Ponsse Ergo is a powerhouse in the forestry industry, built to tackle the toughest jungle terrains. This harvesting machine cuts down trees, strips branches, and leaves behind clean logs ready for transport. Available in 6 or 8-wheel configurations, both versions feature cabin suspension systems that reduce inertia from lateral swings during operation. The 8-wheeled model is the go-to choice for the steep slopes and demanding terrain, offering extra stability in challenging environments. Standing between 2.63 and 3.09 meters, with 600 millimeters of ground clearance, the Ergo weighs a hefty 21.5 tons. It runs on a 286 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine, paired with advanced transmission for seamless movement across rough landscapes. Its true highlight is the telescopic crane, which falls lower than the cabin for better maneuverability on the road. On the job site, the crane's harvesting head reaches up to 11 meters, making the Ponsse Ergo a force to be reckoned with. Number 3. Paramount Marauder. The Paramount Marauder is a mine-protected armored vehicle designed by Paramount Group for various purposes, including armored personnel carrier duties, combat vehicle roles, reconnaissance, and peacekeeping missions. With seating for 10 occupants, this 4x4 beast provides unmatched protection in high-risk war zones. Its double-skin monocoque structure delivers STANAG 4569 level 4A and 4B mine protection, shielding the crew from explosive threats. For added defense, the Marauder features bulletproof windows and add-on armor plates, enhancing both safety and situational awareness. Offense isn't left behind either, as the vehicle can be equipped with light and medium caliber machine guns, cannon weapon installations, mortar firing platforms, and missile launchers to handle any threat. With a top speed of 100 km per hour and a 700 km road range, the Marauder combines power, protection, and mobility, ensuring that when danger comes knocking, this armored giant can either stand its ground or make a swift escape. Number 2. Mars Rover Vehicle Navigator. The Mars Rover Vehicle Navigator is a futuristic machine designed to conquer the unforgiving landscapes of Mars. Unveiled in 2017, this all-electric 6-wheeler blends cutting-edge technology with a rugged design. Its open-structure wheels are built to glide through rocky, uneven terrain without breaking a sweat, while the 700-volt battery and solar cells provide the power to move its 2.5-ton frame across the Martian surface. Inside, the cabin feels more like an aircraft than a car, with seating for a driver, co-driver, and one additional passenger. The rear section serves as a high-tech mobile laboratory, fully equipped to analyze rock samples on the go. With its blend of exploration and innovation, the Mars Rover Vehicle Navigator is a glimpse into what the future of space travel could look like, a machine ready to tackle the unknown. Number 1. Thor Ultimate ATV. The Thor Ultimate ATV channels the raw power of its namesake, delivering unmatched off-road performance. Built in Ukraine, this all-terrain beast is designed to conquer both land and water without breaking a sweat. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbo-diesel General Motors engine producing 200 horsepower, the Thor boasts an automatic 6-speed ASIN gearbox and a lightweight fiberglass monocoque body, ensuring durability without sacrificing speed. With seating for up to 6 passengers and a load capacity of over 1,000 kilograms on firm ground, this amphibious machine can cruise over the water at 5 miles per hour or tear through rugged landscapes at speeds of up to 46 miles per hour. Whether navigating swamps, snow, or rocky terrain, the Thor Ultimate ATV proves itself a force to be reckoned with, ready to tame the wild. Honorable mention 3. Ripsaw EV3. When it comes to extreme machines, the Ripsaw EV3 leaves the competition in the dust. Developed by How & How Technologies, this dual-track vehicle is the fastest of its kind, a beast built to dominate any terrain with power and luxury combined. With a monstrous 1,500 horsepower Hellcat Hemi engine, the Ripsaw EV3 can reach speeds of up to 120 km per hour. Its body is crafted from aerospace-grade steel and aluminum composites, ensuring unmatched strength and durability. Available in 3 configurations, the single-seat EV3 F1, 2-seat EV3 F2, and 4-seat EV3 F4, this machine is built to suit any mission, from solo adventures to group expeditions. Whether you're cruising through the wild or tackling the harshest terrains, the Ripsaw EV3 proves that raw power and luxury can ride side by side. Honorable mention 2. Belaz 75710. Built by Belarusian manufacturer Belaz, the Belaz 75710 holds the title of the largest mining truck on Earth, designed to conquer the toughest jobs with unmatched strength. With a jaw-dropping payload capacity of 496 tons, it can haul massive loads while weighing 360 tons on its own. This mining titan measures 20.6 meters long, 8 meters high, and 9.8 meters wide, dwarfing everything in its path. The Belaz 75710 gets its power from 2 16-cylinder turbocharged diesel engines, delivering a combined 4,600 horsepower. Surprisingly, it can reach speeds of 64 kilometers per hour, proving that power doesn't always come at the cost of speed. Its electromechanical transmission system makes it as efficient as it is powerful, a true game changer in the mining industry. Honorable Mention 1, Bulldog Extreme 4x4. How Technologies flex their engineering prowess once again with the Bulldog Extreme 4x4, proving their knack for creating unstoppable machines. This all-American brush truck is built to charge headfirst into raging wildfires, pushing through the toughest terrain without breaking a sweat. With a massive 2,000-gallon capacity for water or foam, the Bulldog Extreme 4x4 is a mobile fortress against flames. Its 54-inch military-grade tires and 12-ton body allow it to bulldoze through dense undergrowth, clearing the way to the fire's heart. Powered by an efficient diesel engine and backed by an 80-gallon fuel tank, the Bulldog is ready to keep going when others would quit. Whether navigating rugged landscapes or battling relentless flames, this machine proves that some heroes come with 4 wheels and a whole lot of horsepower. What a list! These extreme vehicles are built to dominate the toughest challenges on Earth and beyond. Which of these machines would you love to get behind the wheel of? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to WOWEffect, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our mind-blowing countdowns.